know. So, Josie. Ah! What's that for? How are you, Josie?
Bleh.
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 Bleh. Bleh. That's a Greek word for blue.
I'm feeling blue.
Oh, like a blueberry. I'm so blue. Never mind, that's this is my mommy and that's my daddy.
What if I'm
He's driving and mommy's just kind of there, and that's the road. We're in Pennsylvania. Yeah, I don't know. Let me get her. Josie's on meanie poo. Yeah, here's my feet. Feet. Because I'm comfortable. My feet are all
Mrs. Funny. I used to do that to my sister in the car, like on long car.
You're so weird. Oh, I'm covering the sound box thingy. You're so weird.
Yeah. And you are?
I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Emily. And this kind of hurts because I got sunburn on my nose.
There. Oh yeah. So yeah. Road.
Parent.
Trees. That's gonna be really loud and annoying when we play it back. And yeah, there's
I'm a rock.
Apparently Josie's a rock.
Even though I think this is like the way to do a mushroom.
What? Okay.
I don't know.
This is going on YouTube.
Yeah. When you finally get internet back.
Yeah. She's weird. She's very weird.
And she's a meanie for getting the
My
internet
camera's
taken
getting
away.
hijacked.
Yes.
See, look. Hijack.
She owes me her soul because I helped her with 2 things.
So she says.
I did.
I'm bored, so I'm gonna shut the camera off and we're gonna play this back and look how stupid we are. So yeah, bye!
Playback time!